Welcome back, it's great to have you here. Today I have a really nice tip for you, specifically for all of you who are still a bit unsure about the purchase, or if you already have the Efoam sprayer at home. And you might say, oh, it would be great if you could also use it as a pressure sprayer, right? You can just say, today I'm going to use foam, and tomorrow I'll try the pressure sprayer version. That means without foaming, and I'll use a pre-cleaner to spray the car. And that, of course, happens fully automatically, so to speak. Wouldn't that be cool? This is not possible by default, but I will show you a trick how you can do it. You just need to change a small part, and then you can use it as a pressure sprayer. Let's go, have fun! I filled up 1.5 liters of water. You see, I still have a bit of leftover foam in there. The green nozzle is in there too, and I'm going to add a bit of FX Protect Gravity now. It only works to show you that it works. And now don't keep us in suspense, Sebastian. How does it work? Actually, it's that simple. You could have figured that out yourselves. And that is, you need this part. This is the nozzle of the Multi Pro 2 sprayer. And you just need to do the following. You unscrew the head here at the front. The nozzle in there doesn't matter at all. You can have the green one in there, the orange one, the gray one. It doesn't matter what you have in there. You don't even need to focus on that. You screw the regular conical nozzle on here at the front. Now everything is pressurized, and we can easily use it here at the front just like a regular pressure sprayer. And we still have a light, airy component in there. So you saw there's a very light. The airflow is still being drawn in through this little intermediate piece here. And you can just do the following. You take off the head at the top, head, take off. The often very tightly seated nozzle. It's slowly getting better here with mine. And now just connect the hose here normally. Put it back in. Screw it back on, pump it up again, and then we'll test it again. So now it looks like this. And now you have a very fine, consistent spray that you can completely adjust. Well, it's almost too fine here now. And with that, you can really nicely coat the vehicle with pre-cleaner without having to buy a new device. You do have 2 points that are a bit more concentrated on the left and right, but overall the mist is still good enough, that it works perfectly as a pressure sprayer. Super relaxed. So I turned it off on the side so it's not pumping anymore. You see, it works. Simple conversion. It's that easy. Feel free to replicate that. And so you turn a foam sprayer and a pressure sprayer into 2 devices, and I first have to charge the battery. Next time, definitely get it if you need something like that. Hi.